Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Calendly webhooks into a bubble workflow, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Calendly webhooks into a bubble workflow, start by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the Integrations tab on the Calendly dashboard. Scroll down to find the Webhooks section. Click on Add a Webhook. In the URL field, enter the endpoint URL from your bubble application. Next, select the events for which you want to receive webhook notifications. Common events include invitee.created, invitee.cancelled, and event.updated. After selecting the events, click Create Webhook. Make sure the webhook is enabled and working properly. Now, switch to your bubble application. Go to the bubble editor and navigate to the API tab. Enable the API workflow settings if they are not already turned on. Create a new API endpoint for handling incoming webhook requests. Configure the endpoint to receive the data you expect from Calendly. Set up the necessary fields in your bubble data structure to match the data coming from Calendly. Once the API endpoint is ready, go back to the Calendly webhook settings. To test the webhook, you can use a tool like Postman or a similar application. Send a sample payload to your bubble endpoint to see if it responds correctly. Check your bubble application to confirm that the data has been received and processed. If everything is working smoothly, you're now ready to automate your workflows using Calendly webhooks in Bubble. Continue to monitor your application for any errors or adjustments needed in the webhook settings. With successful configuration, your workflow can now react to Calendly events automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.